Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to accurately fill out your 1099 NEC using TurboTax for the 2025 tax year. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or small business owner, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enter your 1099 NEC income, so your taxes are accurate and complete. Let's get started. Access TurboTax. First, open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. Sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple filings. Go to the Federal section. Once you're logged in, click on the Federal tab at the top menu. This is where all your income, deductions, and credits are managed. Enter Wages and Income. In the Federal section, select Wages and Income from the left-hand menu. This is where TurboTax organizes all sources of income, from W-2s to investment income and self-employment earnings. Locate the 1099-NEC form. To quickly find the 1099-NEC entry section, use the search bar and type in 1099-NEC. Click on the result to move to the specific area for reporting this type of income. Categorize your income. TurboTax will ask how you want to categorize your income. Since 1099 NEC income is generally self-employment income, select the option labeled Self-Employment. This ensures your income is reported correctly for tax purposes. Start entering your data. Click the Start button to begin entering your 1099 NEC details. You'll enter information directly from your physical 1099 NEC form, including the payer's information, your income amount, and any federal or state taxes withheld. TurboTax will guide you through each field, so there's no need to worry about missing anything. Review and confirm. Once all information is entered, TurboTax will summarize your entries. Carefully review everything for accuracy, then click Done to finalize this section. If you have multiple 1099 NEC forms, repeat the same steps for each. And that's it. Filling out your 1099 NEC in TurboTax for 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps, and you'll have your self-employment income properly reported in no time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tax tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.